Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to online classes of Itra Wafaz Boys College, our project of Itra Education System. My dear students, in the last video lecture, we discussed about introduction to the passage and introduction to the author of chapter number 2, Reflections on the Reawakening East, written by Bertrand Russell. Today in this video lecture, we are going to cover meanings of the keywords used in this chapter, which you may be unfamiliar with and may be new to you. Let's start with the first word. Word number 1 is earldom. Earldom is actually a British ranking given to a nobleman. Number 2, eminent, which means famous and respected. Number 3 is notable, which means outstanding or remarkable. Number 4, sociology. It means the study of human society. Number 5, preoccupied. It means engrossed in thought. Number 6, nuclear threat, which means the danger of nuclear war. Number 7, advocate. It means supporter or promoter. Number 8, enormous, which means very large in size. Number 9, movements. It means a change or development. Number 10, perspective. It means point of view. Number 11, alteration. It means a change or a reorganization. Number 12, predominated. This is a verb in its past form. It means ruled or outweighed or prevailed. And on number 13, conquest. It means subjection or subjugation or conquering. On number 14, we have a word enfeeble. This is a verb and it means to make weak. Number 15, Tang Dynasty. Tang Dynasty is actually a very renowned imperial dynasty in China that has been going on from family to family. So that renowned dynasty is called Tang Dynasty. Number 16 is extensive, which means covering or affecting a large area. Number 17, barbarism, which means extreme cruelty or brutality. On number 18, we have a word unpardonable, which means that cannot be pardoned or forgiven. And in other words, we can say unforgivable, which cannot be forgiven. Number 19, insularity. It means lack of interest in others, especially in other people, in other cultures, in other traditions, in other countries. That is called insularity. Number 20th, abyss, which means wide difference in people or cultures. Word number 21, imperialism. It means influence and power through military force. On number 22, we have the word alliance. It means association or union or partnership. Number 23, insolence. It means rude and disrespectful behavior. Number 24, remnants. It means leftovers or remainders or remains. Something that is left over in the end is called remnant. Number 25 is reluctant, which means unwilling or hesitant. When we say that he is reluctant to go there, it means he is unwilling to go there or he is hesitant to go there. He doesn't want to go. So reluctant means unwilling or hesitant. Number 26 is abandon. This is a verb and it means to leave or to forsake. On 27, we have a word salvage. This is also a verb here. It means to retain or to preserve. On number 28, we have a word menace. It means a threat or a danger. On number 29, communism. Communism is actually a system in which all property or commodity is owned by community. Then on number 30th, we have a word impartial. It means treating all equally, or in simple words, neutral. 31, industrialism. Industrialism is a system in which industries have prevailed or extended in the country. Number 32, monopoly. It means the exclusive possession of something. Number 33, indignant. It means aggrieved or hurt or upset. Then on number 34, ruthlessness. It means lacking of pity or compassion, or in simple words we can say unsympathetic behavior. Number 35, eloquently. It means fluently or persuasively. Then on number 36, we have compatriots. It means fellow citizens or countrymen. Word number 37, sinister, which means threatening or alarming or frightening. Number 38, hostility, which means aggression, antagonism or bitterness. Number 39 is cosmopolitan, which means including people from different countries, or in simple words we can say global or international. Number 40th, adulation. Adulation means excessive admiration or praise. Number 41, rivalry, which means competition for the same objective. Number 42, militaristic, which means supporting military policy. Number 43, hostile. Hostile is the adjective form of word number 38, hostility. There, hostility means aggression, antagonism or bitterness. Here, hostile means aggressive, antagonist or bitter. Number 44, refrain. It means to stop oneself from something, to keep oneself away from something, to stop using something, or you can mean anything in the context of to stop oneself from something. Number 45, vitiated. This is the past form of vitiate and it means spoiled or destroyed. Number 46 is ingenuity. Ingenuity means quality of being clever, inventive and creative. Number 47, exploitation. It means ill treatment or misuse. On number 48, we have a word ingenious. It means clever, inventive and creative. Ingenious is adjective form of the word ingenuity on word number 46. 49, mastodon. Mastodon is an extinct elephant-like mammal that was huge and large in size and even stronger than the elephant. Number 50th, prophecy. It means prediction or forecast. And the last word in the context of words and meanings is folly. It means lack of sense or foolishness. So my brothers, that's all for today from the words and their meanings for chapter number 2, Reflections on the Reawakening East, written by Burton and Russell. You need to go through these words and with their meanings so that when you people are going to read this chapter or you are going to listen to my explanation and summary in the next video lecture, you should face no problem in understanding these particular words. When you go through the chapter in your book and you find some words which you are still unfamiliar or they are new to you, you may go through Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary or Oxford's Pakistani version in which the meanings are also given in Urdu, so that you can get quite clear concept and the meaning of that particular words used in the chapter. Because if you know the words and their meanings, when you go through the context or the passage, it becomes easier for you to understand the context and the passage. We will be meeting again inshallah in the next video lecture with summary and explanation of the same chapter, Reflections on the Reawakening East. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.